Hello friends, this is Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja here. I hope you are liking my videos on my YouTube channel. Today's video is in the form of a query that I received from a colleague some time back. The query reads, how to inform the patient who needs 3 to 4 root canals and maybe followed by crowns, post-op restoration and crowns in such cases where my charges or the patient's bill would be close to 30,000, and I know that the patient is from a middle class background, so the patient's average salary might be close to this amount only. How can I tell the patient to spend the whole month's salary on the dental treatment? How will he eat from and where will he eat from? So my answer to this question is in a very simple form. Once the patient is there in your clinic, you have done the treatment of the patient with the 3 E's efficiently, effectively, and efficaciously as per patient satisfaction. Before the patient leaves, you need to tell the patient, yes, these are the other works needed by the form of your IND, the other IND, information and education. It is your duty also where you tell the patient that yes, you have come to me in pain, we have treated that tooth, and now that you are about to leave, this is the other condition or these are the other conditions that exist in your mouth, so kindly try to get those also done ASAP. So what is the total estimate? The total estimate is roughly 30,000. So the thing is that you don't go into the money part. The best part is that you have to create a need first. If you create the need, if the patient has been treated as per his satisfaction by you, trust me, the patient will automatically make adjustments for the same. अब वो उसके लिए एफडी तोड़वाए या लोन ले या वो कहीं से बोरो करे, it is not your headache, it is the patient's headache. Yes, you have created the need, the patient knows that I have been through pain in my previous case, I don't want to go into those things. But then there are two factors here. Your consultation should be honest and verifiable. You should not be cheating the patient. Of course, I believe that most of you won't be doing that. If it is a root canal case, it should be suggested as a root canal case only. The second thing, the patient should have a strong trust factor on you, and then the situation comes that then the patient automatically decides where to arrange the finances for. Nobody spends from the monthly money only. Everybody has some money saved for their rainy days or for any medical emergency or a dental emergency for that matter. So we need to understand this situation. Now a similar parallel scenario, a patient has multiple restorations. You done a root canal, post-op and crowning case, and as usual your duty, you are doing an IND, information and education. You are telling the patient, yes, you have 6-7 more cavities which might be in early to middle stage, of course still bereft of the root canal, so better get them treated. How to convey that? Some people convey it very casually, some people mean some dentists convey it very casually. अच्छा आपके ना और भी 2-4 कैविटियाँ करवा लेना, डिले मत करना. Here you have not created the need, boy. If you don't create the need, why do you expect the patient to come back? You have to explain the patient, yes, which is the again in the layers of the tooth, enamel, dentine and pulp, that the cavity is expected to be here, and once it crosses and reaches the third layer, the pulp, it becomes a root canal. So explain that in the patient language. You have to spend some time with the patient. Of course, spending time will again be very important even at the end of the treatment, and explain the same via the pain quotient, that this time you had to go through a lot of pain, discomfort, a lot of sittings, and of course the cost. So when everything you seem you feel that is seemingly failing at attracting the patient or making the patient serious about getting those restorations filled, shift yourself to mathematical mode. Yes, I believe we all hate maths, and primarily that is the reason we selected the medical in +1. But yes, explain. For example, let's suppose you are charging 1,000 for a restoration or a filling, or maybe and for a root canal, post-op, and a normal PFM crown, your charges are roughly say 8 to 9,000 rupees all combined. So you can explain the same to the patient in a mathematical format कि अगर आप ये 6 फिलिंग्स कराओगे तो you will get scot free in 6,000 rupees, but if not, you will have to pay me 54,000 rupees, 9,000 into 6. And trust me, I will not like to earn that much amount of money from you, because if the work can be done in 1/10 of the cost or 1/9 of the cost, I will not like the same to be done in that cost. ट्रस्ट मी, हिंदुस्तान में मैथमेटिक्स सबको समझ आता है, गरीब हो, अमीर हो, अनपढ़ हो, पढ़ा लिखा हो, मैथमेटिक्स सबको समझ आता है इफ़ यू एक्सप्लेन इट दैट वेज. सो again, all these things, all these talking will come if you are not overtly busy, if you spend good time with your patient and you actually care for your patient's teeth and you are not bothered कि नहीं इसकी रूट कनाल बनती रहे, मैं रूट कनाल करता रहूँगा. द पेशेंट विल ऑल्सो गेट बोर्ड ऑफ कि मैं इनके पास ट्रीटमेंट के लिए आता हूँ, ये मुझे बताते नहीं कि मेरे और भी कुछ करने वाला है कि नहीं. But then again, a thin line has to be drawn somewhere. The I&E has to be kept for the latter half or the last stage of the patient's visits. It's not patient, if he or she has come to you for a treatment, he would want the treatment that to be done with the 3 E's as I mentioned. He's not bothered about what else exists. Again, the trust factor develops. The patient feels that yes, I am in safe hands, he's treating me well. And once you arrive near to the end of the treatment, you can spill the beans about the patient's condition, and trust me, this is going to work favors for you. The patient will actually appreciate that you saved him 48,000 rupees, and nobody minds saving a lot of money. And all of us understand that dental treatment is expensive and costly, so why not be a intelligent dentist and convey the same to the patients very honestly. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and comment, and do subscribe to my channel. Do tell your colleagues about it. There are a lot of webinars coming your way from 2nd of May onwards, scheduled already on the channel till the 10th of June, and every alternate day there will be a webinar, and these are on the topics which have never been touched in depth in dentistry. So these are all for my colleagues as a payback to the society, as a payback to the dental profession. So I hope I'm doing my bit in paying back. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a great day.